Good morning students. This is English reader of class 4, lesson 3. Grandma's hugs are made of love. Word meaning: hold tightly in your arms, hug. Correct or cure something, fixes. Feeling comfortable, cozy. Full of something, filled. A short sleep, nap. To ask God to protect somebody, bless. Home. Everything my grandma does is something special made with love. She takes time to add the extra touch that says, I love you very much. So the poet is saying that her grandma is very special, and whatever she is making, that is her love in that thing. And whenever she adds that love, that gives an extra touch and says, I love you very much. She fixes hurts with a kiss and smile and tells good stories, grandma style. It's warm and cozy on her lap for hair combing or a nap. So whenever the poet is hurt, her grandma fixed that hurt with a kiss or smile, and she used to tell good stories every night, and her lap is very warm and cozy. And whenever she combs her hair, it's like a nap, short nap, because whatever activity is done, that activity includes grandma's love. And when I say my prayers at night, I ask God to bless and hold her tight, because when it comes to giving hugs, my grandma's arms are filled with love. So the poet is saying that whenever in night she says prayer, she asks God to bless her and hold her tight, because whenever she hugs, the grandma's arms are filled with love. She loves unconditionally, without any condition. So she is very good and she is very sweet. Opposite: love, hate, night, day, tight, loose, filled, emptied. Answer the question. Why is it always special when grandma does anything? It is special because it is done with grandma's love. How does the poet describe her grandma's lap? Grandma's lap is warm and cozy. Who fixes hurts and how? Grandma fixes hurts with her kiss and a smile. What did the poet ask from God? The poet asked God to bless and hold her tight because her arms are filled with love. Complete the following sentences. Grandma fixes the hurt with dash, a kiss and a smile. Grandma always tells dash, good stories. Grandma's arms are dash, filled with love. My grandma does is something special, dash, made with love. Add one more word in each cloud of rhyming pair. So the rhyming words are the words which sound, the pronunciation, the sounds are similar when we pronounce the word, like smile, style, white, night, tight, right. Lap, nap, tap. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are used in place of nouns to show possession, the ownership. Example, this dog belongs to me. This dog is mine. Something that you own, that is your thing. So the exercise based on possessive pronoun, fill in the blanks with possessive pronoun. The book belongs to Sarthak. This book is his. So here we have 3 options. From there we have to choose one. This car belongs to me. This car is dash. His, hers, mine. Mine. The palace belongs to the king. The palace is dash. His, theirs, ours. His, because the king is one. This house belongs to them. So them means many people. This house is dash. Mine, theirs, hers, theirs. This shoes belongs to me. Only one. I am talking about myself. This shoes is dash. Hers, theirs, mine. Mine. This bag belongs to my sister. This bag is dash. Hers, his, ours. Hers. So on the basis of the poem, you have project, paste a photograph of yourself and your grandparents and write few sentences how much you know them and they know you very well and how much time you spend with them. So whatever you know about your grandparents, you have to write in a paragraph. Thank you.